Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with R&D tax credit setup and bench detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for the R&D tax credit setup and bench, start by logging into your bench account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the tax credits section in the left-hand menu. Click on R&D tax credit to begin the registration process. You will see an introduction page explaining the benefits of the R&D tax credit. Read through the details carefully to understand the eligibility requirements. Click on the Get Started button to initiate your application. Fill out the initial questionnaire regarding your business activities. Provide detailed information about the projects you believe qualify for R&D credit. Be specific about the technological challenges you faced during these projects. Include information about the expenses incurred during the R&D process. Once completed, review your responses for accuracy. If everything looks correct, submit the questionnaire. You may be prompted to upload supporting documentation for your claims. Gather necessary documents, such as project descriptions and financial records. Upload these documents as required by the system. After submission, wait for confirmation that your application has been received. You will receive updates via email regarding the status of your registration. If additional information is needed, be prepared to provide further documentation. Once approved, you will see the R&D tax credit reflected in your financial reports. Regularly check your bench account for updates on your R&D tax credit status. Now, you are officially registered for the R&D tax credit setup in bench. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.